Hello student, in this video we talk about how to create menu and how to manage our menu with live preview, right? So go to our WordPress dashboard, and from here you see to the appearance, and from here you direct visit to the customize, and you also just visit first menu. So you first click on menu. So our menu is loaded, and from here you select your menu. Also from here you select your menu. So if you want to customize to your home menu, so select already the home menu is already selected. And if you want to edit your footer menu, so you go to manage locations. And from manage location you select your footer menu, and then you select your edit, right? So click on edit. So our footer menu is selected because we select the footer menu as home menu, right? So to manage live this menu, so you click on manage with live preview, right? So click on live preview. So our menu live preview is loaded, and from here you just select here to click here to manage your live preview, right? Click on edit icon, right? And from here you choose your site title, and from here you choose your primary menu, and it is my Google AdSense code, and it is my also Google AdSense code, right? So if you first visit our website, so it is my main menu, right? So from customize site I delete this, right? Remove item, and then publish it, and from here the menu will be removed, right? So refresh it. You see the menu will be removed from here, right? No. Go and then click from this icon. You also click from this icon and edit your menu from here. Click on here, HTML, and from here you select your menu, right? First we drop down it, and I minimize this 90 and 80, 75%, right? To see the below area. So from here I select this and choose my menu, click here. So I choose my secondary menu, right? Click here and drag and drop it, right? Or you also drag and drop here from this column, right? So I drag it, click on it with, you select his item driver divider, select item divider, and from here published, right? Now we refreshed our page, the menu will be visible now, right? We move our menu to the left side, right? So the menu is moved to left side. Now we go to our footer menu, right? So from here scroll down it, and from here you see your footer menu. It is our footer menu, right? And it is our total footer menu. From here we click on it, it is an edit option, right? So we go to our footer menu. So it is our footer menu, it is our widget 1, HTML code and HTML2, right? So if we click on it, footer menu, right? See here, the footer menu will be invisible, right? Now we see our footer menu, the footer menu is visible, right? Now we publish it to save the changes, right? From here I remove the footer menu, right? Now I refresh it and this menu will be removed. Right? The footer menu will be removed, right? So click on it, click here, and from here we select our footer menu. So footer menu will be selected, and from here you change its alignment, left, right and center, layout, inline, outline, right? Configure menu from here, hide on desktop, no. So publish on, click on publish. So menu will be published, right? From here you see the design, link text, background, so from here I change the link text, however active and here normal. So active, black, right? The color is changed, right? And from here also black, right? Is the however color is right, so it is the however color, right? And is the background color, so normal background color is black, not black, right? This is no, normal background color is shoes or background color. So it is our background color, right? Choose it, and font size, the font size is so large, from here right, this font size is good, from here it is the spacing font size, right? EM pixel, not reset it and then increase it. So it is selected, right? And from here you publish it. Now we check it, so there is no footer menu, so refresh it. And now you see your footer menu, right? From live preview you customize all your theme. If your theme is pro, so you customize from here all your theme, blog, page, sidebar, right? So in this tutorial we only discuss manage with live preview only the menus, right? So thank you for watching for this video.